Curlpro Glam styler in one of my Nykaa haul, and so many of you guys were interested in knowing more about this product. And I also have the Irresistible Me Iron, which has like 8 different heads and 1 body, and so many who wanted to know if there's any dupe for it in India, because it is a little expensive and customs and all and shipping time hassle. So this is the closest thing that I could find in the Indian market, which is, as I said, the Curlpro Glam. So this has 5 different heads and 1 body, and this retails for 6,000 rupees. So essentially you're paying like just what, you know, kind of 1,000 rupees for 1 iron, which is very inexpensive if you see like for a good quality curling iron. So I'm going to show you what all this kit contains. So this is the kit that it comes in, and once you open it, it has like a magnetic closure here. So once you open it, here are all of the different heads that you get, and I have the body outside because I have used it. It also has like a heat protecting glove, which I have right here. And obviously we do need a demo for the iron, so I do have like a Kareena Kapoor inspired curl tutorial, which I will put at the end of this video, and this is what the curls look like. I have lost the count of how many times Kareena has sported her hair like this. Kiyanka, Kurban, so many movies she's done curls like this. Now I personally like my hair to the side like this, but Kareena most of the times has like a middle parting to suit her face type. So please do keep that in mind, that because this is an inspired look, I have my hair in middle parting, but I definitely like my side parting more than that. So coming back to the iron, I'm going to talk you through. The first iron that I have here is like an inverted or an inverse iron. This is thin on the top and thick on the bottom. So what it does is that it essentially makes the top part of your curl very voluminous and the down part of your curl quite tight, which I like. Then there's this normal barrel which gives you like nice thick curls. Then we have another inverse one, but this time it's more thicker and more like less thinner on the end. So what it does is essentially again the same thing, but like on a bigger level. I hope you guys can understand what I'm trying to say. And then we have this really thick barrel which has my heart. Like this has my heart. The way it curls your hair, it's so beautiful. Like I can definitely see myself doing like a Victoria's Secret angel hair with this. Let me know if you'd like to see that as well. And lastly we have this really thin wand which will give you like really spirally curls, which is amazing. Then we obviously have the body on which you can attach all of these heads. The best thing about this is that all of them have like a triangle at the end, and then they have like an unlock and lock thing written here which also has triangles. So until and unless the triangle is right on the unlock, it won't start. When I first used this, I did not notice that this has a triangle, and I just fit it anywhere and this just won't heat up, and it just frustrated me to the end. And then I noticed the triangle and I was like, wait, what? And then I got to know that, you know, it's like a safety measure. Another thing is that they have like this cord which is like a swivel cord, so that you won't wrap your hand around it or this won't get like all wishy-washy, which happens with so many of my cords, and it's just so annoying. It's like the most annoying thing ever, guys, like ever. And then it also has like a temperature control right here. This goes up to 220 degrees Celsius, and the minimum temperature is 130 degrees Celsius, which is a very good bracket for your hair not to burn. It has an LED display, so you can actually see what's going on, which is the best thing. I genuinely don't have anything bad to say about this iron, except the fact that the heat protectant glove is not actually heat protectant. You still feel the warmth through it, and it's like, whoo, whoo. My Irresistible Me glove is a little better than that, so that's the only down part that I feel about this iron. Otherwise, this is such a good iron, especially if you are in India and you're looking for something like this, because you're not going to be needing any other curling iron after you get this. And I do think this is currently on discount as well, so I will try and leave a link for you guys in the bottom bar. So yes, that is all I have to say about this iron, and if you want to know how I got this hairdo, then keep on watching. I'm going to start off by detangling my hair with the water brush by Roots as well. This is a really nice brush and it detangles your hair really well. And then I'm going to apply a heat protectant. This is by Tony and Guy. I'm going to distribute it all throughout my hair. Then I'm going to put my glove on and I'm going to take out a middle parting. You can, however, go for a side partition if you feel like. Then I'm going to take my bang section and the thickest barrel, and I'm going to wrap my hair away from my face. Make sure your hair is away, only that way you will get the desired effect. If it's toward your face, it will look a little tacky. So I'm going to wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, and this iron is so quick. In just like 10 to 15 seconds, you get your hair all curled up, and that's why the process is so quick. And once I leave it, I will get like a beautiful thick curl which suits all of face types. This is what it looks like. It looks really beautiful. And then I'm going to switch up my wand. I'm going to take this inverse wand and I'm going to heat it up. It heats up really quickly as well. And I'm going to take a thin section and I'm going to wrap it around again away from my face. All of the strands have to be away from your face. So I'm just wrapping it around the wand. And I'm going to wait for 10 to 15 seconds, after which I'm going to drop it. And once I drop it, you're going to see I will get such a beautiful curl. Like, look at that curl, guys. Look at that curl. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you once more and I'm going to show you real time this time. You see how happy I was. So I'm just wrapping my hair around and this sort of like fell from my hand, and you will see even after keeping it on for such a short period of time, I will get a really beautiful curl. So it sort of like slipped from my hand. It will slip like right here. Yep, it slipped. So I thought, let's let go, and it still gave like a beautiful curl. So this is one side done and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to do the other side now, and obviously a Snapchat break is a must. And once it's done, I took Ruth's Moroccan Oil, which I forgot to show, and I'm going to run my hair with it, like run my fingers through my hair with it, and I'm going to break up the curls so they are more open and voluminous. And yeah, I'm gonna do that. And because of the heat, my hair is looking a little flat on the top, so I'm gonna take the Batiste dry shampoo and I'm gonna like spritz it on my roots, with which we will complete this tutorial. And because I've already said that everything needs to be said, so I'll just ask you to go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also check out all of my social media, which would be in the bottom bar. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.